Grade 10s. This activity is about the features and fixtures that you will have in your bathroom and in your kitchen. So we're going to have a closer look at what we have here. These are the different features that you will find in civil. It's your water closet, your toilet, the front view and the top view, and that is your hand wash basin, top view and front view. After you have come out of the bathroom, you will have to wash your hands, and then some people use a bath, not too many. That's a bath. And then the most common thing is the shower here at the bottom, and then you have the sink, the single bowl sink, which is in the kitchen. These are all the electronical symbols according to this chart that we discussed earlier on. This is what it looks like. This is the computerized version, and which you have here, but this is the actual true symbols that we need to draw according to SANS, which you're going to get marks for. So if you just want to evaluate quickly, the water closet, there it is. That's the top view, that's the front view. So if you could perhaps just sketch what it is. So there I've sketched it, basically what it looks like, and the top view or the front view is going to look like that there. Okay. Then I can go to the next one. The next one is a hand wash basin, which is that over there. So I'm going to sketch that there with a little trap, and that part there is going to be in the air where that reflects the front view of the wash basin. And then you have the bath. The bath is like that there with a trap here, and on the top view is basically going to look like that the where you put in this line there straight, and this is a slanted line like that there. Okay, and then if you go to the bottom here, the shower basically from this here is just basically a square box, square one with a little trap here. The trap can be in any corner, doesn't matter. And then lastly, the sink. You draw a sink, maybe your sink is going to be like that there, down like that, and then it's going to have the inside part here with the trap over there, and that is basically what the sink looks like. So after you've sketched it, you can take that away, and then I want you to draw it perfectly on your page here, somewhere in the space next to it, to a scale, and I'm writing it here. The scale should be 1:50, because that's how you're going to draw it on your original plan. So just to give you an example, this is my water closet. I'm now going to take my calculator, and then I'm going to divide all my dimensions by 50. So when I start here, and I just want to do that, I'm going to say 500 divided by 50, and that's going to give me 10. So that's going to be 10. 400 divided by 50, that's going to give me 8, right? The 850 divided by 50 is going to give me 17. So that's 17, and this is 17. And then I'm going to go to my 250 divided by 50. This gives me 5 over there. So now I'm going to draw that to a scale of 1:50. Let's see. So I'm going to start with this line over there. So there I start with that line there, and then I have 10. It's a very small drawing that I'm going to do, but that's how you're going to draw it on your floor plan. And then I'm going to have 17, which is something like that there, and then I'm going to measure 5 down from my 17, and there you have your first one. Now maybe I could just ask you to draw only the top view for now, because that's what's going to happen on your floor plan a little bit later. So that is my top view, which I will have on my floor plan. So don't worry too much about the front view of it. That can always come later. There is my water closet. This one here, simple. I start with a line. I have, if I just do my calculations here, That's going to be 585 divided by 50, and it's going to give you, sorry, that's an error, 585 divided by 50, that's going to give me 11. So I'm going to have 11, it's rounded off to 12, so that's going to be 12, like that there, and I'm going to draw that one, and then 450, I know 450 according to, let me just say 450 divided by 50, that's going to give us 9, and you're going to have your 9 here, there, to the 9, and then you darken that, right, like that, darken it like that, and then just put the little trap where it's going to be. And so you can do all these ones. This is the top view. Okay, the top view, how you are going to draw it. Let me just do this one here, which is the sink. It's always a difficult one. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to convert my 120 divided by 50. That's going to give me 24. That's going to be 24. 340 divided by 50. That's going to give me 6.8. It's going to be 7. And then 510 divided by 50. That's going to give me 10. That's going to be 10. And then 450, I know, divided by 50 is going to give me 9 again, which is 9. So now I'm going to draw a line here, which is that line over there, and I'm going to draw a line down here like that, which is this corner. I know it's 10 down, so I can measure my 10. So there's my 10. Okay, I'm going to draw my 10 just like that there. And I know 24 is the length, so I'm going to draw in my 24 there. And then I'm going to put in this part here, which is now going to be 9. And I can put that 9 anywhere here, so I'm going to start here with a little gap and put the 9, say for example, I'm going to put the 9 in there. So that 9 is going to fit more or less there. And then 7, I've got to squeeze my 7 in perfectly here. There's 7. There's my 7. I'm going to perfectly squeeze it in there. You don't have to measure perfectly where that. You can just estimate it, and then you're going to darken that there. Like that there. And just put that little trap there. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so you can do each one of the top views only as the fixtures and features are being scaled down.